welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. For today's video will be all about PBA on Tour games. No na-highlights tayo sa episode for our today's video. But before that, subscribe na to YouTube channel kung bakit gusto ko likes, shares, comments, and views. Aabutin tayo ng 500. Dapat supportan natin yan. This is the remote lipat channel. For our latest vlog, 217 and episode 217 and title, PBA in Caloocan. Here's your vlog! Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin yung highlights. Okay, simulan na natin. Last May 21, ginanap ang PBA Games sa Caloocan Sports Complex between the NLEX Road Warriors and Blackwater Elite. At ang panalo ay Blackwater Elite. Last week, Saturday, May 27. O, diba? May 27. Nasasagan ng bagyo. Super Typhoon Deti. Pero hindi natuloy dito sa Metro Manila. Pero tuloy pa rin. Napunta na ako sa Caloocan Sports Complex kasama yung kaninang nanay. Kung makapunta sa Sports Complex, gusto makita si Arwin Santos. Between San Miguel Beermen versus the Northport Batampier. Kasi gusto ko mauwi ng 7 PM. Kaya lang, ang problema, was supposed, gusto mag-taking picture. Unfortunately, hindi naka-picture with Arwin Santos kasi sinisiksikan lang siya. Pero safety protocols tayo, health protocols tayo para maiwas tayo sa COVID-19. Kaya sayang, gusto maka-picture si Arwin Santos. Pero na-meet na, makita na sa personal. Congrats and congratulations to the PBA officials and to Caloocan Mayor Alo Malititan and Congressman Oka Marapitan. Congratulations sa PBA game. Successful tayo sa PBA game. Panalo po ang San Miguel against Northport Batampier. Score ng, I think, 80s plus. Tapos Northport, 75. Maraming salamat po sa Caloocan City Government sa host ng PBA game. Sana sa regular season, kung ma-host ang Caloocan Sports Complex, sabi na sa interview, sa halftime show, kung maka-host ang Caloocan Sports Complex sa PBA Games regular season, if necessary. Congratulations, and also to the management of the PBA and also kay Willie Marshall. Congrats! Next time, maka-picture naman next time. Pag okay na lahat. Maraming salamat and hope you enjoy sa ating latest vlog. See you next vlog. Bye-bye. God bless.